AML Accelerate now has inbuilt reports, so organizations can track the completeness of their money laundering and terrorism financing risk assessments and risk profile across the organization. There are two different types of reports: status reports and money laundering and terrorism financing risk reports. There are also two different types of status reports. The first is the status summary report, which provides a summary status of whether the AML program has been started, published, and/or adopted by sub-companies within the enterprise. This helps complex organizations with multiple business units to keep on top of who has or has not started using the platform to conduct their risk assessments. The second type of status report is the status details report, which is accessible by clicking on any segment of the pie chart to reveal the underlying details, which can then be sorted, filtered, and exported. With the money laundering and terrorism financing risk reports, there are also two different types of reports. The first is the summary report, which provides a summary status of the money laundering and terrorism financing risk profile of all sub-companies within the enterprise, based on the overall money laundering and terrorism financing risk rating. This helps organizations with multiple business units to understand where money laundering and terrorism financing risk exposures are higher across the entire organization. The second type of report is the money laundering and terrorism financing risk details report, which provides a heat map of the money laundering and terrorism financing risk ratings for each completed assessment and with a breakdown across each of the main risk categories, providing actionable business intelligence of the risk exposures across all the different money laundering and terrorism financing risk categories.